Hello YouTube, I'm gonna do a quick video. This video is just to let you know how 2001 abandoned and form Lexus with the open sunroof interior and navigation looks like. I cleaned this with acetone and I make a mistake and did never do that and delete almost all the letters and all that. But the navigation you can only see during the navigation you can only see it during the night, because during the day you cannot see anything through that screen right there. So I'm gonna replace it. Purchase one with the big leap of faith. Guy said it works. It cost me only $50, but I'm gonna take this apart and let's see if it works. I'm gonna do a follow-up video how I'm gonna do the installation, and please feel free, subscribe, make any comment. Basically it's very easy to take this off. You gotta take this off over here, a couple of screws down there, take this off. Very careful not to destroy because it really gets very brittle, the plastic. And then take a couple of screws and take the unit and disconnect it. Again, make any comments, feel free. This is about the old unit, and I'm going to install a supposedly perfect shape, good working unit from 2004. Okay, wish me luck.